Hello people of the internet and welcome back to my channel. Oh, the star of the show has arrived. Here she is, ladies and gents, Miss Lucy Lou. So if I seem like I'm going through this video fast, I just want to say it's because I have a really bad migraine, but I just want to film these videos while I have like makeup on that's actually like kind of cute. It's coming off because I just babysat. So anyways, I'm just gonna be doing this video and showing it to you guys. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my February Ipsy gifted by Ipsy PR box. This is the regular $12 a month glam bag, as well as the glam bag plus, and then they do throw in other gifts for us sometimes. So this month we do have some extra goodies in here, and it's from the refreshments collection, which is a separate subscription box that you can get on your Ipsy app. So I'm going to show you what we got from the refreshments line. So the first item is the refreshments pillowy shave cream in citrus spritz, and this is so soft and it smells. Sorry, my camera died. So first item was the shave cream. It smells so good, it's so soft, and I cannot wait to actually use it to shave. And then we got one of the cute little refreshments bags, which is a nice size drawstring bag. And then it comes with stickers every month, and they're holographic and they're super cute, and I believe these are the same ones as last time, but I don't know where I put them last time, but I love stickers. And then we also got, to go with the shave cream, this refreshment selects 5-blade razor kit. Packaging is super cute. Then you open it up. So let's show you what this razor head looks like. It is light green and purple, and it's like, it's weighted, and it has a little refreshments logo right here in the center. I'm gonna put that back in there. And then it also comes with a shower suction cup, so you can put it in there when the blade is in it, as well as 2 replacement blades. Just looks like this. Excited to try that out, and I'm actually almost out of shaving cream, so excited to use that as well. So now let's just go ahead and get into the $12 a month bag. Did I say $10 a month before? Because I definitely meant $12. The price was upped. So this is what the bag for the month of February looks like. It's a little kiss, and on the back it's like a little envelope. This is sealed with a kiss. It's so cute, and it's like a little clutch kind of purse. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so one of these doesn't go in here because there's 6 items in here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you everything that was in the bag, and then I'll do the 2 items last that I'm not for sure if it's for this bag or the larger bag. Let's go ahead and start out with a product that I actually already have and I really enjoy, and I'm happy to have another one. It is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes little eye cream. I use this stuff pretty much every day. I have a roll-on under eye serum, and then I use that over top, and it makes my eyes glow. I'm really tired right now, so you probably can't tell, and also my makeup doesn't really look that good, but I really enjoy that product, so I'm excited to have another one. Next, we have one of my favorite brands for lipstick, Bite Beauty. This is the Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Fizz, and it's a super duper pretty orange shade. It's kind of like an orange-red color. Red-orange, orange-red. Next up, we have the Porefectionist Refining Facial Pink Clay AHA BHA One Kind face mask. Looks like this. And I love face masks, so I will never complain about one ever, especially because normally with this size you can get more than one use out of each one, which is always nice. Then we have this little eyeshadow duo. Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo in Rose Gold and Ivory. So a nice pretty combination. A super pretty little eyeshadow duo. This would be great for everyday wear. Okay, and then these last 2 products that were in the bag, I'm not for sure which one was supposed to be in the larger bag, so I'm just going to show you both. So this first one is this matte fluid eye paint by the brand About Face, and this is in the shade Cloned. It's like, it looks to be like a nice red brown shade. Sorry for, oh no, it's just like a nice matte. Oh, well, will it be matte? I don't know. Well, yeah, it says matte. So it's just gonna look, it looks like it'll be like a nice transition shade. I'm sorry for my dog jumping all around. She like sleeps all day, and then when I want to film, she's like, crackhead. So then we also have this MAC cream lipstick. I feel like this one would be the one that's supposed to be in the other bag because we did get a lipstick already in the smaller bag. So I feel like this would be the one that would be in the bigger bag. It's in Sweet Sakura. Sakura? Can you see that? I don't know. Let's just show you what it is. Because this is full size. But so is that last item too. Oh, another nice pretty red. Oh, there's sparkles in it too. This is pretty. I cannot wait to wear this in the summer. I wear most of my reds in the summer. Well, like this kind of red I wear mostly in the summer. Super pretty. And then let me just show you this bag real quick. It is red with kisses all over it. So cute. Oh, wow. So let's get into the rest of the products we have in here. So first we have this Heavenly Skin Hugging Tight Foundation Brush, number 707. Groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. What? This is by It Cosmetics. Normally whenever I get brushes, I just put them in my makeup kit for when I do other people's makeup, but I'm keeping this one for myself. Oh, that's so soft. I mean, I don't know why I'm surprised. All of the It Cosmetics brush are so soft. The bristles definitely do feel synthetic, so that should be good. Nice and easy to clean. Since I'm keeping this brush for myself, I'm allowed to just put it on my face. That feels really good. I'm going to try it out tomorrow. If I wear makeup tomorrow, we'll see. I'll see how I like it. I'm excited to give it a try. Next up, we have the Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner for all skins, 20% vitamin C. Okay. Open it. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and that's what the pop on there looks like. I've actually been in need of some vitamin C serum, so excited. Now I have a replacement and I don't have to buy one. Next we have the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and it says that it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness, signs of irritation. Also sounds absolutely amazing. This is what it looks like. Oh, well. I love sleeping masks because they're so easy. You sleep in them, you just wash them off when you wash your face off in the morning, and it's great. And if you don't have time to wash your face off in the morning, then you can just leave it on all day, like, you know, if you're not wearing makeup, and then just do it later. I love sleeping masks. Then last but not least, we have the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, and it's just the invisible, like, clear brow gel by Benefit, and it says mini on here, but it looks full size. Because this is the mini that I have from, okay, well, maybe it is, but this looks like the regular, I don't know, this looks like the regular size to me. Like, maybe this is 3.5 milliliters, and this one is only 2. So, because this one's 0.6, this is 0.06 fluid ounces, and this one is 0.11. So maybe this is like a ultra mini and this is just like a regular mini, like this is like the travel size and this is like the sample size. I'm not entirely for sure, but with this saying mini on it, maybe this was the one that was supposed to go in the $12 bag and then these two are supposed to be in the other bag. Not entirely for sure, but either way, I'm still super excited that I have it because I've been using this every day and I've been so scared to run out of it because I know I just don't really want to buy a new one. So I was super excited to see that I got one sent to me by Ipsy. So yeah, that's everything I got in my Gifted by Ipsy box for the month of February. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and thank you again to Ipsy for sending me this box. I really appreciate it and I love trying everything out and doing a video for you guys on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!